Hi, I hope that you're extremely good. In this lesson, we're going to look at simultaneous inequalities. And I want you to take note of this. When it comes to simultaneous inequalities, it's not something that is complicated. The word is simultaneous. It means happening at the same time. So these are inequalities that will be happening at the same time. Let's see. Let's say we are told that x is greater than or equal to negative 2, but x is less than 5. And we are also told that these are simultaneous inequalities. As I told you, simultaneous inequalities are inequalities that will be happening at the same time. It means even when it comes to representing them on a number line, you represent them on the same number line. The first thing, before we represent this on a number line, you'll be told that x is greater than or equal to negative 2 and x is less than 5. These are simultaneous inequalities. Represent them on a number line. How do we represent them on a number line now? It's very simple. The first thing, write your x here and you put these signs like this, right? That is the first step. If we have two simultaneous inequalities, then you are going to check which one is less than x. That's negative 2. But don't forget, okay, let us do it step by step. It's negative 2, right? Then you check which one is greater than x. That's 5. Like this. Then the last thing you should check for you to get correct answers, check for the equal sign. Do I have a not strict inequality, the one with an equal sign down? Yes, I do have. Which one is this one? So it means here you have to place an equal sign. Now it becomes 100% correct. That's our simultaneous inequality. Why are we not placing an equal sign down here? Because here there is no an equal sign. Now how to represent this on a number line? It's very simple. Let us read it first. This means x is greater than or equal to negative 2. But it's less than 5, right? Now let's represent this on a number line. This is the number line, and negative 2 here, and here 5. This is how we represent this. We are told that x is greater or equal to. Remember, because of this equal sign, you are going to shade here. Then your arrow is going to face this side, but you are not going to put an arrow because this is a simultaneous inequality. Then this side, we are told that x is less, the less than side is this one. We are not going to shade because this is a strict inequality, right? It's not a not strict inequality. This is how you represent it on a number line. It's very simple and straightforward. The first step, you have to write the inequality like this. X in between, then you put the values here and then represent it on number line. Let us do another example. Let's say you are told that x is less than or equal to 10, but x is greater than or equal to 3, like this. The first thing, as I told you, our x here, then you are going to place the signs, let them face the same direction. Do it as I am showing you. This is very simple, guys. As I am showing you, you have to do as it is. Now, which one that x is greater is this one. So we are going to write it here. Which one that x is less than? It's this one. So we are going to write it here. Then, what next? We are checking if we have a not strict inequality. If we have equal signs. Check for the equal signs. We have an equal sign here. So we're going to place it here. Right? Here actually. Right? Also we have it here. So we're going to place it here. This is very simple, guys. Check for the equal signs. We have an equal sign on this one. We place it here. We place it, right? Then after this, it's very simple. Let us represent it on a number line. We have 3 here, and we have 10 here. 3, x is greater, so it's going to face this direction. But remember, you shade it because it's a not strict inequality. And here, 10 is x is less than, right? So it's going to face this direction. How do you read this? It's very simple, guys. You read this by saying x is greater than or equal to 3, but x is less than or equal to 10. X greater than or equal to 3, but less than or equal to what? 10. This is very simple. Simple and straightforward. Let us do another example.